Good morning, viewers. Hello and welcome to the Morning News Show, where we bring you the latest headlines and insightful stories to kickstart your day. First up, we are discussing India's youngest state, which is heading to polls today. It is a three-cornered fight, majorly between the ruling BRS, the Congress and the BJP.
तेलंगाना के लोग केसीआर सरकार को उखाड़कर फेंकने के लिए कमर कस चुके हैं।
केसीआर शिवयात्रना तेलंगाना जैत्र यात्रा
ये मेरे लिए राजनीतिक लड़ाई नहीं है, ये खून की लड़ाई है, डीएनए की लड़ाई है। हमारा पहला कदम सरकार बनने के एकदम बाद जाति जनगणना करने का होगा, कास्ट सर्वे।
Well, after weeks of campaigning across 119 constituencies, it's now over to the voters in Telangana as the state gears up for polling today. Now, polling will be starting shortly and will continue up till 5 p.m. Now, it's a high-stake battle for BRS President and the state's Chief Minister, K. Chandrasekhar Rao, who is eyeing a hat-trick amid a perceptible wave of anti-incumbency and a tight challenge from the Congress. Now, the third player in the fray is BJP, which is also hopeful of making a dent in the several constituencies, particularly in North Telangana and Hyderabad. Now, these are the areas where Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also campaigned extensively with the pitch of making a backward class leader as the CM if voted to power. Now, the other key player is Assuddin Owaisi's AIMIM, which is contesting on 9 seats from Hyderabad.
आप वोट करिए और अपने दोस्तों से, रिश्तेदारों से, अपने नेबर से वोट करवाइए और बड़ी संख्या में ये फेस्टिवल ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी को सेलिब्रेट करिए वोट करके।
तेलंगाना में तो वोटिंग तो होगा और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है भारतीय जनता पार्टी विल परफॉर्म exceptionally well in Telangana, and I am quite hopeful on that.
35,655 polling stations are there in the state of Telangana, and all of them have been kept ready. In fact, as per the Commission's instruction, we have also made model polling stations, we have made women managed polling stations, and all these arrangements are ready. We have identified about 12,000 critical polling stations. So these polling stations will be basically having additional arrangement in addition to the basic forces from the state side. They will be having the central forces, the webcasting, they will be having micro observers, at least one of them. Plus, of course, whatever is declared as the LWE affected areas, in those areas, area domination and more deployment of central forces in addition to the state forces will also be there.
I request all the people of Telangana to come out and vote in large numbers. The unfortunate thing is, the more educated one is, the less chances is likely to vote. There are two reasons for this, because they feel their vote is not important. But there's one more reason in Telangana, because last time their votes are spread out. If they are living in gated communities, they spread out around, one gated community votes are spread out around 28 different polling booths. That problem we worked with the EC and solved it. So you don't have to go around the countryside trying to find where the polling booth is. Now you have no excuses, especially those who are interested in the nation, in the state, and the development of the communities. It is their moral duty to come out and vote. If you don't vote, you cannot have the right to complain on anything.
28 तारीख 5 बजे से 30 तारीख की 5 बजे तक 144 सेक्शन अमल में है, जिसके तहत कोई मीटिंग, रैली, लाउड स्पीकर वगैरह इस्तेमाल नहीं किया जा सकता है। इसके साथ ही ड्राई डे डिक्लेयर करने का ऑर्डर भी सीपी ऑफिस से निकल चुका है, तो उसके तहत जहां जहां उसका उल्लंघन हो रहा है वहां पे हम लोग रेड कर रहे हैं। पूरी पकड़बंदी के साथ में, पूरी चौकसी के साथ में और सफिशिएंट पुलिस के साथ में यहां से पोलिंग स्टेशन ले जाने की प्रक्रिया शुरू की जाएगी।
Well, Telangana, where the stage is set for a triangular contest, we are now moving our focus